Hello 8th graders, this is Mrs. Lockey. The first step for doing an outline in Noodle Tools is to set up the topics and subtopics before you drop your note cards in as evidence. So on the right side of the screen you're going to see the word topic, and we're going to create this outline to help us organize a 5-paragraph informative essay. So in an informative essay, the first paragraph is the introduction, and so we're going to create a topic or a Roman numeral for paragraph 1, which is introduction. So you can click on topic and edit and change it to introduction. And then the second paragraph of your essay is going to be the second Roman numeral, and we can just call this body 1 for body paragraph 1. And then body paragraph 1 is going to be where you have your evidence related to reason 1. And then we're going to add a third topic, which is paragraph 3, and that's going to be body paragraph 2, which is where you'll put your evidence for reason 2. And then we're going to do Roman numeral 4, which is body paragraph 3, which is where you'll put your evidence for reason 3. And then our last paragraph of the 5-paragraph essay is going to be the conclusion. Okay, so you want to make sure you have 5 Roman numerals. And then we're going to create space in this outline for the different parts of each paragraph. So in the introduction, instead of creating topics, you're going to create subtopic, which Noodle Tools calls child. And you're going to do 3 subtopics in the introduction because there's 3 parts to the introduction. The first part is the hook, and then the second part of the introduction instead of a 1 there, I want to get rid of that. I want letter B. So I'm going to delete that. Okay, so I'm going to click on introduction, and I want to have letter B be the second part of the introduction. So that's going to be add subtopic child. Okay, so we want hook, and then background, and then you click on introduction, and then you want the third part. So you're going to add a subtopic to the introduction, and that's going to be your thesis. Okay, so the introduction, body paragraph 1, or sorry, not body paragraph, the introduction has 3 parts: hook, background, and thesis. So then I'm going to click on Roman numeral 2, which is body paragraph 1, and I'm going to add some subtopics for the parts of body paragraph 1. Okay, and the first subtopic of body paragraph 1 is the topic sentence. And then before you add subtopic, make sure you click on body 1 and add letter B. So the second part of body paragraph 1 is background. And the third part of body paragraph 1 is going to be letter C, and that's going to be evidence. And that's where you're going to drop your note cards in the evidence part. And the evidence part is going to include the direct quote, the paraphrase, and your commentary. And then the fourth part of each body paragraph is going to be Roman numeral, or not Roman numeral, letter D, and that's going to be concluding statement. Okay, so then each body paragraph is going to have these 4 parts: topic sentence, background, evidence, and concluding statement. there shouldn't be a sixth, so a sixth paragraph, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, I'm going to pause this video and give you time to set up your outline. So you're going to, on your own Noodle Tools, you're going to create the introduction with 3 parts: hook, background, and thesis. And then for each body paragraph, you're going to create 4 parts: topic, sentence, background, evidence, concluding statement. And you're going to repeat those 4 parts, A, B, C, and D subtopics, for body paragraph 2, which is where you're going to have your evidence for reason to, and for body paragraph 3. Okay, I'm going to pause and have you do that. Hello 8th graders, I'm back, and when I paused the video, you should have added subtopics below body paragraph 2, the same as I showed you for body paragraph 1. So you added topic, sentence, background, evidence, concluding statement for body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3. And now I'm going to show you how to add subtopics for the conclusion. Okay, so you're going to click on conclusion, and you're going to add 3 subtopics. And you can add them all at once if you want, and then change the text. So I'm going to add 3 subtopics for the conclusion. Oops, I accidentally did topic, so I'm going to click on that, delete. Okay, and that's 3 parts of the conclusion. You're going to name them here by editing subtopic to be restate thesis. And then the second part of the conclusion is summarize main points. And then the last part is called the clincher. It's another way to say like the concluding statement, but it's for the conclusion. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and have you complete the outline for conclusion.